It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. Been enjoying the market. I made a few posts inside the Patreon, but for the most part, just been enjoying the gains across the market. So in this video, I want to talk about a few things that I am personally looking to do as far as strategies, especially if you're new coming into crypto and you're probably like, what the hell is going on? What do I look to buy? I'm gonna break it down very shortly in this video, because guess what, when I get off this video, I'm heading down to the shitter dig, right, to move some things around, because I need to have more stable coins, right? I plan on looking at a few things inside this market and taking advantage of some short-term plays as well. So I'm gonna be talking about it all in this video, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe. We up for the early one, Monday, motivated Monday. All right, so market's been doing pretty well. The first thing that I've seen, right, and great post here from Crypto Archer. He said the legacy tokens, the legacy meme coins, right? The OGs are starting to pump. So if you're new getting into crypto, I want to make it very clear, right? I'm not going to go over the tech or anything like that. But if you have a crypto.com app, most of these tokens are accessible on crypto.com app. And in my opinion, there's still opportunity. The first and foremost thing that we have Bitcoin here in price discovery, but not only BTC, but we have the entire total market cap of crypto headed into one step closer away from price discovery here, which is a little bit over 2.8 trillion, right? So if we can break 2.8 trillion, the entire world is going to go crazy about cryptocurrency. We're almost there. In fact, as I just stated, BTC is in price discovery at all-time highs around 80K, right? So the Trump push looks like it's real. We've seen, we're seeing news that Charles Hawkinson, right, could be working with the Trump administration in Washington to help with the crypto laws, right? And you know what happened last time? Somebody said they was going to help with crypto laws. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right. If you know, if you've been in crypto for a while. And then we're coming off Bitcoin's biggest weekly candle of all time. Now, this is a cryptocurrency, right? And in my opinion, more of like a savings account on steroids. But this is a commodity, right, that just put in an 11,000, almost a $12,000 weekly candle. This is insane, seeing the market cap that Bitcoin has. So you can't ignore that there is a lot of institutional interest inside cryptocurrency, as BlackRock is coming off some massive, right here, some massive trading volumes, right? Inflows, outflows, trading volumes. People seem to be interested in crypto, but I want to make it clear to you guys, we're the only ones here right now. We still haven't seen that influx of retail coming into crypto, because frankly, people still don't have the money, right? Even though we're getting Fed cuts, we still haven't got quantitative easing here yet. We still have to get quantitative easing. So I think once those stimmies go across the board, we're seeing it in China. They did a massive stimulus. Japan is doing stimulus. US is getting one step closer, but we're still in quantitative tightening. So once those Fed cuts actually start to set in, right? It usually takes 3 to 6 months. This is why we can't predict how much money will go into cryptocurrency and truly how high these market caps will honestly go, right? And there's just a lot of stuff still on sale. As I said, you know what I mean? A lot of the OG meme coins are pumping. I seen Elon pumping, Dogecoin pumping, Floki, Shiba Inu, right? Crow is in a good place right here, right? Crow showing lots of strength. There's tokens that are fundamentally elite like HBAR and Quant that still haven't seen their move, yet they're printing green dots on our indicator. And this indicator has not been wrong. Every time we printed a green dot, we've seen an explosive move. We've seen it on Bitcoin. We've seen it on ETH. We've seen it on Tau. We've seen it on SUI, right? So we're just waiting for stuff like Quant in HBAR to come around. There's a My Lady's token, Tonic, which hasn't showed life in a while. Has shown life up 63% on the 7-day. So even if you're just new to crypto, right, and you're buying crypto coins on crypto.com and you're like, man, I don't want to feel like I'm late to the party, we're not even in altcoin season yet, right? we're still technically in Bitcoin season. So, but is the closer this gets to altcoin season, it's over with, right? You don't want to buy when this indicator is in altcoin season. That's above 75. That means all mostly the top 50, right? Altcoins are outperforming BTC. We're not there yet, but the underlying conversation that no one's talking about is that the Bitcoin dominance is starting to capitulate on the stock RSI. It hasn't broken the trend just yet, but this is foreshadowing of what may come. And if this Bitcoin dominance breaks this trend line, but Bitcoin price continues to go up, that's going to be explosive for altcoins, right? But what you're seeing right now is like a little bit of post-traumatic stress. You're not really seeing the hype in the market because, to be honest with you, a lot of people want to get more crypto. They don't want to be too hype because they don't want it to pump yet, right? They like, I'm under allocated. Let me know in the comments if you feel the same way. You could have 90% of your net worth in crypto, and as soon as cryptocurrency start pumping, you like, I need to get more, right? So again, we're only here, but they're coming. They are coming. Suits ties are coming. Retail is coming. The media is gonna pump this. And if you're here right now, this is your opportunity for generational wealth, right? I did put a few plays in the Patreon. The Discord has been going crazy. Salute to the Discord. I see you guys, you know what I mean? But for the most part, I just, let them do their thing, right? So at the end of the day, guys, media attention is starting to come into crypto. We got a lot of stuff to look forward to, right? And I think that this just is the cusp of us hitting levels we probably never seen before. Levels we probably never seen. And I said this to my boy ALTCOINS. We probably will never see these levels again once regulation hits. So, guys, this little bubble that we have between Trump's inauguration could see a lot of hype, but treat it like a buy the rumor, sell the news. At some point, we will get a correction, and that's the correction that you need to take advantage of if you truly believe that this cycle is going to explode. People are now saying that Bitcoin, because it's going up so fast, right? It's going up so fast to 100K. Now people are like, shit, we could see 200K Bitcoin this cycle. Let me know in the comments if you believe that. So we really can't put, what I'm saying, a cap on how high these things can go. We still haven't seen the others chart, right? Look at this model here, right? We got so much room to grow. The others chart, which is the true shitty of the shitties, the others altcoins still haven't hit price discovery, right? Even though we're seeing these tokens like Crow, HBAR, Quant, all the OGs, the Elon token, kind of like putting 30%, 40, 70% on the week. That's nothing, guys. In altcoin season, they're going to be doing that by the day, right? And yeah, you can't have emotion in crypto, right? Regardless of what it is, we here to get money, and that's what it is. So at the end of the day, we still got, in my opinion, we still got a long way to go. I am watching this Bitcoin logarithmic charts because I told you my exit strategy aim here is the bubble lower band, and we're not near. So I'm gonna take advantage of all of this. Not really trading. I want to make that clear. I'm not really trading this market. I already have my bag set. The Patreon, though, I already have my bag set. If you're the Patreon, our tokens been going crazy, right? Our mid cap, like our low cap, I would say low cap, Wolf, Crash, Neuro AI, Bytes, Neo Tokyo, like all this stuff been going crazy, right? So yes, blue chips are, performing, but there's a lot of stuff like in the top 400, 500 that, what I'm saying, top, even the 200s, right? That's been absolutely sending, right? So it just depends on your risk to reward. I explained this to somebody inside the Discord yesterday. If you're looking to make a little bit more money this cycle, you got to put up a little bit more risk. The flip side of this is if you build your portfolio based on pillars, right, which means you have the strongest blue chips, you'll always be winning, right? Bitcoin is at 50% dominance. You have a little bit of BTC. Then you build 4 pillars of blue chips. That way you have your altcoins that's going up against BTC. Then once the liquidity rotation happens into mid caps, small caps, and micro caps, you got your shitties little shitters going crazy as well, right? This we talked about all these tokens, right? Tau, crypto.com, Jasmy, right? I've talked about Ondo before, Near Protocol, right? It really doesn't matter what you buy in the bull run, because even stuff that's been getting suppressed evaluations are exploding as well, right? Because what's happening is, for example, right, a new person comes into cryptocurrency, right? New person comes into cryptocurrency and they like, where do I start? What do I buy? They load up their Coinbase or their crypto.com app, and then they like, well, oh wow, I see something. This is called Elon. I know Elon Musk. This must be Elon Musk token, right? And of course, this has probably nothing to do with Elon, right? But this is what normies do. They come in and they buy things that people are hyping up, people talk about, right? People can relate to, right? This is a pretty relatable token. Let's actually turn this to green here, because all the indicators are green. This actually looks like a nice good breakout for the Elon token. But the state of what I'm saying is that when newbie comes in crypto, right, they don't know about DeFi, they don't know about decentralized exchanges, right? Eventually you learn about that type of stuff, but when you get in, you really don't know about it. So you come in and you buy stuff that you can relate to, that you understand, that's easy to understand. This is an easy sell right here, right? Elon, oh my God, Elon Musk. Oh, it must be something to do with Elon Musk. Crypto.com. Let me buy this. Coinbase. Let me buy this, right? So, normies come in and they just buy the stuff that they can understand, right? They see something like Pepe, like, oh my God, I remember that meme. They see something like Dogecoin. Dogecoin almost went to $1 last cycle. I'm going to buy Dogecoin because I know what it is. So if you're wondering like why your low caps may have not pumped, or why your mid caps and the shitties have not pumped yet, they're coming, guys. It's coming. It's coming, right? It's coming, right? Because a lot of these things have high evaluations. What happens is, once the normies in the retail pump the whales' bags, they'll rotate that liquidity into hot narratives, hot new coins, and then the new lower cap coins actually send too. So don't trip. If you're a person that don't have blue chips because you want to take on more risk, your time is coming. The only thing you're watching for right now, because we are in peak bull-like energy, is you're waiting for this Bitcoin dominance to capitulate, but you want the Bitcoin price to continue to go up. Bitcoin dominance capitulating with price going up is absolutely insane for altcoins. And we are close. Look at this stock RSI right here. We are close. The only outlier here is that the DXY is still like showing a lot of strength. I expect it to get rejected at these levels here and kind of like come back down, but crypto doesn't seem to care. So I'll try to do as many videos as I can today and tomorrow. I'm really about to load it up since the hype is coming back. But I was just chilling for the weekend, guys, enjoying these games, sucking in as much information as I can to be able to deliver it to you guys this week, man. Salute to everybody that went through all of the naysayers, and they're still going to be naysayers, right? They're still naysayers, right? Because they didn't buy down here with us. They didn't buy down here with us. And if you're new, that's not a shot to anybody that's new. If you're new, look, you're late to something like Bitcoin, right? Unless you're putting in 25, 30 grand, 50 grand, whatever, right? But there's still a chance with altcoins, right? Altcoins still, there's a lot of altcoins that still haven't sent yet, that are good altcoins, good communities, culture communities, good tech. Tech is back, utility. Like, it's not over yet. This is just the beginning of the best part of this cycle. Let me know in the comments, guys. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.